This is the 2014 Kia Forte LX Sedan. It has just over 124,000 kilometers on the odometer and has a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine under the hood. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, power locks, and power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. And your interior sheeting is a combined gray and black cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 124,415 kilometers. And over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. Beside that, you have your dimming buttons for your gauges, your Eco Drive Mode button, and traction control. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls along with your trip reset buttons. And on the display here, you have your AM/FM radio, along with satellite radio, CD player, USB, and auxiliary in. You have your climate controls there in the middle. Down here, you'll find your two power outlets, auxiliary in, and USB port. And this is an automatic transmission. You also have your heated driver and passenger seating, cup holders there. In your center console, you have additional storage with a removable tray. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. And on the exterior, you have your Continental tires on 16-inch alloy rims by Kia. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your Forte badge there. And to unlock the trunk, you can just hold down the button on the key fob and it'll open right up for you. Lots of cargo space here in the back. Your rear seats do fold down, which are a 60-40 split. And down here you have storage and room for a spare tire. And in the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back with your adjustable vents there. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. Up on top here, you have your hooks for your car seats if need be. So that is the 2014 Kia Forte LX Sedan. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form. Come on down for a test drive and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.